So in this video, we're going to have a chat with Jackson about his M2 Comp Dinan. And we've been very positive about this car before in a similar episode, but we are going to be talking about 3 things he absolutely hates. Jackson, number 1.
The carbon roof doesn't come standard, so yeah, it's on the CS only, so you'd have to get that as an extra.
So you've got this as a carbon wrap instead?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Number 2?
The back box, it's...
oh yeah, have a look at this back box.
It hangs out so much, it just looks stupid. It's
just showcasing itself.
Yeah, especially with all black, and then next minute a massive silver under tray.
Okay, and number 3?
Has to be the worst, which is the rev limiter.
Oh yeah, we heard that.
So when everyone's revving, you just feel a bit,
yeah, so I saw your face actually in the other video when we compared it against the stock. You were like, oh, can we do it again? 2 takes, still nothing. So there are Jackson's 3 things he hates about the M2 Comp Dinan. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Throw us a like, get subbed, and we'll see you on the next one.